Hidden Gemini features you should try. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm showing you hidden Gemini features that most people don't know about but definitely should. These tricks will help you work faster, create better content, and get more out of the Gemini AI. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Gemini app or go to Gemini in your browser. And then, did you know that Gemini can remember your preferences like the writing style, tone, or project details? So, I want Gemini to always give me answers in bullet point. So, I'll write always give me answers in bullets. And then I'll ask Gemini to remember this and hit send. Now, after I've done this, Gemini will remember this and always give me answers in bullet points by saving it in the saved info page. So now you don't have to constantly remind Gemini. So it is super helpful if you want consistent writing. And then here's a hidden gem. Gemini can read your Google Docs, your Google Sheets, and more if you connect your Google Workspace with Gemini. So you just need to type at Google Docs, and then I will hit send. Now, since I've already connected my workspace, now it will do a Google search, and then now I can easily connect my Google Docs and other Google Workspace files with my Gemini, so it can summarize, rewrite, or analyze documents instantly, and no copy paste is required. So I'll search for Google Docs and then type in nature because that is the title of my report, and I will ask it to make it one pager as it is quite long. So it will extract the nature file, and then here you go. It has made a one pager document for me. Now, another hidden feature is you can paste any code, and Gemini not only explains it, but it can also auto fix the errors, optimize it, or convert it to another programming language. So I have a Python code and there are quite many errors. So I'll ask Gemini to find errors and then hit send. Now it can easily find out the errors and explain it to me. Similarly, you can even ask to improve this code or convert this code to HTML, JavaScript, or more. And another option that you can use in Gemini is the microphone icon in the bottom right corner. You can just tap on it and the microphone will be enabled, and then you can also ask Gemini to read responses out loud. So you can see there is a speaker option on the right hand side. You can just tap on it and Gemini will read out the responses for you. And that's it. These hidden Gemini features can save you so much time and make your workflow way smoother. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.